Hello everyone, welcome back. Alright, so a couple weeks ago I did a Fire It Up Friday and I had a little surprise at the end where I was going to give away one of my little solar kits just to remind you all what they look like. We got a little magnifying glass. We have some char cloth. Come on now, open up. And then we have some of my beeswax fire starters. So whoever wins this will get the kit. We'll also get some extra beeswax fire starters. And in order to get an entry into the drawing, you had to put the word sun in your comment. So I have the video right here. I put the link in. And I'm going to filter based on specific text, and the word is sun. And let's get the comments, and let's hit start. Horseman Hills, James. And James said, I would love to send my son to Cat in the North. So there you go. So it looks like Cat in the North is the winner. So James, thank you very much for forwarding that. Cat and Don, you'll be getting a package in the mail. I have your address, so I'll send it out to you. And I want to thank everyone that entered. And of course, I appreciate you all for watching all my videos and all the comments. You all just really warm my heart. I'm going to have another surprise and another Fire It Up Friday coming soon. So stay tuned. And again, if anyone is interested in getting one of these solar kits, just shoot me an email and we'll get hooked up. So I'm sending you all much, much love, my brothers and sisters. And like always, I thank you and appreciate you coming along. We'll see you on the next one.